Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now I've been asked to have a look at this Ferroli. It's flashing F1, so there's no ignition. They don't have any central heating or hot water. Now I've been asked to diagnose it and repair it. Now what it's doing is it's just ticking. So the spark generator on the circuit board is just ticking. That's what it's doing. The pump's circulating, but there's no ignition. So we're gonna diagnose this and repair this, and I'll be sharing that with you, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. And if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Do you want a drink?
Me? No, I'm fine. Now, even though the screwdriver is well insulated, it still makes me jump. That spark just makes me jump every time. Anyway, what happened to this boiler? One of the pipes leaked inside the combustion chamber, and it leaked through onto the circuit board. Now, luckily, I saw some drops on the circuit board. So what I've done is got a hairdryer and dried it out. Switch the power off. Every time you do that, just switch the power off. Switch the power, and I just spent about a good 5-10 minutes drying it out, cold and hot air with it. So when I was quite satisfied that it's all dried out, and then I switched the boiler back on, and it started working fine after that.
Yeah, very hot.
Right, now that I was quite satisfied it's working fine, I put the case back on, and guess what, more problems. This wire here is just got a little damage on it. It's cut, slightly cut. So as soon as I put the case back on, it was sparking onto the case. Now luckily I had some insulation tape. I put the insulation tape around the lead as in temporary repair. It was late evening and I couldn't get a lead for it, so it's a temporary repair. I'm going to sort that out when I go back to it next day. But anyway, when I put the case back on, the cable was insulated, and the boiler started working fine after that. Now guys, if your boiler is broken down in Birmingham, South Birmingham, we also cover Solihull, Knoll and Dorridge. We repair all your favourite boilers from baxi, Biasi, vaillant, wocesterbosch and many more, domestic and commercial. We also do gladed boilers too. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Do you want to come in today?
No. They call me at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. Guys, we made this Ferroli for him. He was leaking first, and it leaked onto the circuit board.
4 o'clock in the morning. I don't want to.
That's it. So it's leaking.
Yeah.
It was leaking,
Yeah.
and it leaked onto the circuit board. Use a hairdryer,
Yeah.
dried it all out,
Right, all out.
and then the spark electrode was faulty.
Yes.
So we sorted that out for him as well. So we can Birmingham Boiler Fix.
Okay.